Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you very much for all the support, guys. Thank you. Here at this pure sugar, guys, that I've been given. If not, the drink will be bitter, right, guys? So add some sweetness inside of it, right, guys? Yeah. Just there it is, paper here, and then add this pure sugar to give it sweetness. Yeah, guys. Look. And mix again, mix. Shake and shake and shake. Mix and mix and mix. Alright. So inside here, what is this? My god, surprise! It's hash browns, guys. Alright, let's take the hash brown, guys. Take inside the hash brown there, guys. Wow, look at that. It's like golden brown hash brown, guys. Wow. It says hash brown. It's from McDonald's, guys. And the behind is like that. Yeah. Ronald McDonald is throwing in the dustbin there. Alright. Rise and shine, guys. Happy Sunday, guys. Okay, in front of me is this breakfast deluxe here. I'm gonna open it. Alright, don't forget this hash brown here. Alright, gonna open it and gonna slide it there. Ta-da! Slide inside there. Look at that. My breakfast deluxe, guys. This hash brown and on top of the hot cakes. Have this hot cake syrup here, I'm gonna open here for the hotcakes, right guys? Yeah, I'm gonna open this. Yeah, alright, that is my maple syrup, guys. Look at that. I have this 1, 2, 3, 4. I have this 4 wheat butter, guys. I'm gonna open each one of them right here. Okay, let's open. Like this, how it look like, wheat butter. And then open another one. Right. Yeah, it looks like this, right guys. And then another one, let's open it. Alright, yep. And then another one. Okay, my hands are really like feel like oily, like that oily butter. There is like oily melted butter, melted butter. Alright, so I have opened half of it and my maple syrup there. Alright, this is my grape jam here. That I have given there. Right, you have like corn syrup inside there in this grape jam. Okay. Right, look at the golden brown hash brown. Right, let's eat it, guys. Yeah. Wow. This potato and the hash brown, the skin there is of a bit of crispiness to the potato. It is quite dry there. Yeah. But it's still good. This alright. I just like the crispiness there of the skin there. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at the golden brown hash brown there. Yeah, it's the golden brown hash brown there. And then let's eat it, guys. Yeah. I like the crispiness of the outside there, even though the potato quite dry, but the crispiness, the golden brown outside just now, it is just nice, guys. Let's try this drink here that I have added the 1 piece of paper or sugar just now. Okay, let's give it a drink, guys. It tastes of like tea coffee like that. At least have now that sweetness rather than before adding the sugar, right? Have that bitter taste, right? Yeah. Right, let's now try this hotcakes here. Okay, this is my hotcakes here, right guys, and then this is my maple syrup here. Alright, let's taste it, guys. Dip it and shower it with this maple syrup here. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Maple syrup tastes very sweet, right? Yeah. Maybe it would be good if have honey, more sweetness, right? Yep, it is very sweet, but it's very good, guys. Yeah, let's eat it again, shower it and dip it with this maple syrup here, with the hot cakes there. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. And, wow. I like the hot cakes is soft when deep in the maple syrup, right? Like it will be like soft texture there. And the hot cake have that a little bit of taste there, not just fluff. I mean, it's so good, right? Wow. I like the softness texture of this hot cakes here, guys. Yeah, can eat it just like that. I cook it for without the maple syrup, as this the original, guys. Wow. Right, I'm gonna open this buns here and I'm gonna apply this grape jam there, right inside. I'm gonna pour this grape jam here packet there inside this bun. Right, keep pouring it, like squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Yep. And just now the butter there. I'm gonna take this and slack it with this knife there. Right. Just pour this butter there. It really become watery there. Watery melted butter, right? Wow, looking so good. Just apply it, add on this bun there. Just now this grape jam there, then this melted butter there. Okay, but then do this one just like it with the knife. Spread, 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 spread. Right? Spread the grape jam viral, like guys. Spread, spread, spread. Yeah, spread with this knife that's given, right? Then there's also spread this whole butter there. Yeah, the whole bun there. Right? And then this grape jam just now. Spread it, right, guys? The whole bun there. Right. Okay, that's it. Don't forget this ground black pepper here, guys. Right, this low-dye salt, right? Low-dye salt. This ground black pepper. Stir it, right? Before stir it, just use this fork. Just put inside this bun, and then this salt here. You just apply on top of this sausage McMuffin here, right? Just what you like. If you like salty, you can apply on your omelet there to make it taste like salt. If you doesn't like it, so you don't need to use it. You can use with other foods. Alright, and now let's add this ground black pepper there. Right, add the omelet there. Right. Right, look at that black pepper omelet and the sister sausage here with the black pepper. Seasons it, right? Yeah, like do some adding and cooking some, right? According to our taste, right? with this melted butter. Also add some pepper. Right, shake, 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 and make it come out like that. Right, guys? Yep. Alright, done. And after that, what you do, you add in this omelet there on top of the sausage just now. And then this bun here, you're gonna just poke it like that with the fork. And then you're gonna put this like this. Look at that, you have like big burger there. Oh my god, with this below grape jam there. Wow, look at that. So I cannot be poked. Right, look at my invention. Wow, sausage make muffins and then just poke it with the fork they're given. Just tear it up. Like this, just now the sausage make muffin burger here. Look at that. Right. Now let's eat this omelet with just now the black pepper there. Right. The grape jam inside there, guys. Below there. Just now that I put it there. Piece of that self there. Let us make a drink here left here. So I'm gonna drink it, guys. Let's drink it.